Mustang Coupe.
It's gotta go to the bathroom. I already have my bathroom break. There it is. You guys saw it on Facebook, and I'm delivering. There is the 69 Mach 1, and they've got paper on it now, or a posting on it, so we can give you details. But actually, I was kind of frustrated because the picture of this angle was cutting off the nose of the car. I usually don't like to put photos up like that, but it was my only front end view. But there's the 351, obviously, proudly putting it on the hood. And that is a buyer's guide dealer warranty, and they don't have it on there yet. It's too new. It's too new. It does not have the details, but obviously it's a 69 Mach 1. Well, it's obviously a 69 fastback. You have to confirm that it's a Mach 1. That's interesting, that plate. I'm not going to do the serial number. Mustang Club of America, Valley Forge Mustang Club. And there she is. And that's an original wheel. That wheel is so rare. That wheel original is probably worth $500, $600. Just the steering wheel alone. And of course it's a stick, which you gotta love that. Pedals are worn, kind of tough to see. You know what, I'm gonna go light and we'll see if we can see it better. All right, there's the light, trying to light up the pedals. But there is the interior. It's showing 5,657 miles. That's obviously a turnover. There's just nobody's gonna convince me otherwise. Deluxe doors, those are the deluxe door panels. With the inset handles and the wood and the Mustang logo. Oh, it says Mach 1 there too. Well, it's looking very much like a Mach 1. If this is a Mach 1, I just don't have the paperwork to say that. And I am cautious when I don't have the details. Believe it or not. See, I'm growing. There she is, going low. Going low. I just love this car.